Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, here one circuit given here having one loop and it consists of one independent source, voltage source, another is dependent voltage source. These are connected in series with a resistor 22 ohms and asking that how to find current I0 in the circuit. So whenever the problem will be given like this, so just observe here how many loops are there. Only one loop is there. So whenever one loop is there, just apply KVL theorem. So here the voltage considered as V1 and here voltage is V2 and here is the voltage is V3. The current direction is very important. So for taking the voltage in the circuit. So according to KVL theorem, the sum of all voltage drops is equal to 0. That is V1 plus V2 plus V3. That's equal to 0. So here the current direction is like this. That means this current entering point in the V1 is at -1. Here enter and here it leaves. So take as minus 54 volts. So for resistor take as positive. So that is here plus V2 only. So according to Ohm's law, V2 equal to IR. That is the I is I0. So I0 into R is 22 ohms. Next, the current entering V3 voltage source. This is also voltage source. So entering point is at plus sign. So take as plus sign. So plus voltage is 5 I0. This is the voltage for dependent source. That's equal to 0 here. So from this we'll get minus 54 plus 22 I0 plus 5 I0. So from this we'll get 22 plus 5 27 I0. So bring this on right hand side, it becomes 54. By simplifying this we'll get current I0 equal to 54 by 27. Nothing but 27 ones, 27 twos. That is 2 amperes. So this is the required current for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.